Ever felt that gut-wrenching moment when you're locked out of something important? Like your email, your social media, or even worse, your crypto account. Yeah, it's a terrible feeling. And if that something you're locked out of is your Newton account, well, the anxiety can really skyrocket. Because let's face it, your crypto holdings are important. They represent your investments, your future, and potentially a whole lot more. So, if you're asking yourself, how do I recover my Newton account, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps you need to take to get back into your account and regain access to your precious crypto. Now, before we dive in, it's crucial to understand why you might be locked out in the first place. Newton has security measures in place to protect your funds, and these measures can sometimes lead to account lockouts. Common reasons include forgetting your password, entering the wrong password too many times, losing access to your two-factor authentication, 2FA, method, or even having your account temporarily suspended due to suspicious activity. Understanding the reason behind the lockout can help you choose the correct recovery path. First things first, don't panic. Seriously, panicking will only make the situation worse. Take a deep breath, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's approach this methodically. We're going to break down the recovery process into manageable steps. The most common scenario is forgetting your password. It happens to the best of us. We juggle multiple passwords for various accounts, and sometimes one slips through the cracks. Thankfully, Newton has a straightforward password recovery process. Head over to the Newton login page, and you'll see a Forgot Password link. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Newton account. Make sure you enter the correct email address, as this is crucial for receiving the password reset instructions. Once you've entered your email, click Submit. Newton will then send you an email containing a link to reset your password. This email should arrive in your inbox within a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, these automated emails end up there. Now, here's a critical tip: be cautious of phishing emails. Never click on password reset links from emails that look suspicious. Always double-check the sender's address to ensure it's genuinely from Newton. If you have any doubts, it's best to navigate directly to the Newton website and initiate the password reset process from there. Once you've located the password reset email, click on the link. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password, something that's unique and difficult for others to guess. Avoid using easily identifiable information like your name, birthday, or pet's name. A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Once you've created your new password, confirm it and click Submit. You should now be able to log into your Newton account with your new password. But what if you've forgotten your password and lost access to your 2FA method? This is a slightly more complex situation, but it's still recoverable. Newton uses 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account, requiring a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. If you've lost your phone or switched to a new one without transferring your 2FA settings, you'll need to contact Newton support. They'll guide you through the 2FA recovery process. This usually involves verifying your identity by providing certain information about your account and potentially submitting some documentation. Be prepared to provide details like your name, date of birth, address, and possibly even a copy of your government-issued ID. This might seem like a hassle, but it's a necessary step to ensure that only you can regain access to your account. Now, let's talk about account suspensions. Sometimes, Newton might temporarily suspend your account if their system detects suspicious activity. This could be due to unusual login attempts, large or rapid transactions, or other red flags. If your account has been suspended, you'll likely receive an email notification from Newton explaining the reason for the suspension. In this case, the best course of action is to contact Newton support immediately. They'll investigate the issue and help you resolve it. Again, be prepared to provide information to verify your identity and explain the situation. Honest and transparent communication with Newton support is key to getting your account reinstated. Another scenario, though less common, is if you believe your account has been compromised. If you suspect unauthorized access to your account, change your password immediately and contact Newton support. They can help you secure your account and investigate any potential breaches. Remember, security is paramount when it comes to cryptocurrency. Always be vigilant and report any suspicious activity to Newton. Now, here are a few general tips for keeping your Newton account secure. First, use a strong and unique password for your Newton account. Don't reuse passwords across different platforms. Second, enable 2FA whenever possible. It adds an extra layer of security and makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account. Third, keep your email address associated with your Newton account secure. Use a strong password for your email account and enable 2FA there as well. Fourth, be cautious of phishing emails and never click on suspicious links. Always navigate directly to the Newton website to access your account. Fifth, keep your software and devices updated. Security updates often patch vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Sixth, monitor your Newton account activity regularly. Check your transaction history and account balance frequently to identify any unauthorized activity. And finally, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Newton support. They're there to help you. Recovering your Newton account can be stressful, but by following these steps and remaining calm and methodical, you can regain access to your funds and get back to managing your crypto portfolio. Remember, security is a shared responsibility. By taking the necessary precautions, you can help protect your account from unauthorized access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.